Master Photo Clarity, how to adjust definition on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the picture gallery. Next, open up the picture that you would like to edit, and then tap on the edit button. From here, tap on the tone button. Then at the top, swipe across and select definition. Now on the slider bar, drag to the left to increase or decrease the definition. So swipe across, and this will increase the picture definition in your photo. The definition feature focuses on adjusting the mid-tone contrast in your photos. With the mid-tone contrast, the definition feature doesn't directly adjust sharpness, but it impacts how the midtones appear in relation to highlights and shadows. By increasing definition, you can essentially increase the contrast between midtones and both highlights and shadows. This can have several effects: enhance detail and potential for posterization. And that's it. So once you have made the changes, you can tap on the save button. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.